text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit. All this shade that's coming at me, I wonder who throws it. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like Circus Soleil. This is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it drop, it's gonna be a motherfucking snow day.
You put the boom boom into my heart. You send my soul sky high when your loving starts. A jitterbug into my brain. It goes to bang 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 till my feet do the same. But something's bugging, something in my best friend.
Only you can do make all this world seem right. Only you can do make the darkness bright. Only you and you alone can thrill me like you do, and fill my heart. Am I so wrong for staying up late, going out with my friends, for drinking too much and saying I won't, but then do it again? When you take my hand, I realize I can be who I am. Cause I'll be alright as long as I'm leaving with you. I came with the hard times, but you brought the good times. You made my life brighter, brighter. I found my way, you're only gonna love me, you're never gonna judge me. Now I'm climbing higher, higher every day. I'm keeping my head up. I'm keeping my head up, head up. keeping my head up, head up. Yeah, I owe it to you for making me stronger, for keeping my head up. You're keeping my head up. How many times have I said I would quit? But every night, you light me up like my last cigarette. With you by my side, I don't really care what the neighbors might think, 'cause I'll be alright, as long as I'm leaving with you. I came with the hard times, but you brought the good times. You made my life brighter,